before we start, let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Andresia, my roll number is 2, and I'm the narrator.
My name is Kalisa Putri and my roll number is 13. I'm the voice of Reza. I'm Intan Rada and roll number is 18. MS Armando Sangkurian.
And I'm Raja Putra Narendra. My roll number is 32 and I'm as Tumang. And I am Kenan Lairesri. My roll number is 20 and I'm playing as Sangkuria.
Long time ago, in West Java, lived Dayang Sumbi and her son Sangkuriang.
Sangkurian, where are you going?
I'm going hunting, mother. I'm going to prove myself is strong. Guguk, I will go with you. I'll protect you, Guguk.
The forest watches all, nothing is ever hidden.
Come on, Tumang. Guguk, let's go. Guguk.
Deep in the forest, Sangkuriang grew impatient.
This is boring. Be patient, Sangkuriang. The forest must be respected, Guguk.
Impatience leads to mistakes.
Wait, I see something. Be careful. Not everything is what it seems, Guguk. I don't care. I will shoot now. Wait, Sangkuriang, Guguk.
In anger, he realized his arrow.
I got it.
But when he came closer,
Sangkuriang, I was only trying to protect you, Guguk. Tumang, no! What have I done?
Sangkuriang returned home, hiding the truth.
Where is Tumang and what does he brought?
It's just food from the forest.
This is Tumang? You kill him?
I didn't know. I was angry.
Anger destroys one world. If this how I cannot forgive you anymore.
I'm sorry, mother.
Years passed, Sangkuriang returned as a broke man.
This place is feel familiar.
Who are you?
I am a wanderer. I've been everywhere.
You may stay here. Fate begins to move once again.
Thank you, Clifford. You are very kind.
They spent time together and grew closer.
I feel I know you for a long time.
But one day, Dayang Sumbi realized the truth.
Scar, you are my son. Yours cannot stay hidden.
Is something wrong?
Sangkuriang, unaware, fell in love.
I want you to stay with me forever.
This is wrong, but I must stop you. If you follow me, do a leg and a boat in one night.
I accept that. I will do it.
With great power, the work was almost complete.
The boat is already done.
I must stop this. Let the morning come early.
The sky rises bright, the light sunrise.
What? Morning already?
His anger resumed once more.
You tricked me.
This is dishonour. Pride leads to destruction.
Then this boat will remain forever.
The boat became a mountain.
Is this much destiny?
This is the result of your action.
And so, the legend lived on.
The moral of Sangkuriang's story is that pride and uncontrolled emotion can lead to great regret. We should respect our parents, be patient, and think before we act. It also teaches that humans cannot force their will against nature or destiny, because every action has consequence. Thanks for watching this drama.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.